In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and adjust a photo inside a frame in Canva. We're starting right inside your Canva design. First, let's add a frame, which is a special kind of placeholder that crops images into a shape automatically. On the left sidebar, click Elements, then scroll or search for frames. You'll see a variety of options, from simple rectangles and circles to more creative silhouettes. Pick the shape that matches the look you're going for and drag it onto your canvas. Position it where you want, and feel free to resize it by dragging the corners. You can rotate it if needed. Frames are different from regular shapes because they're designed to hold images, so they'll do the cropping work for you. Next, let's bring in your photo. Click the Uploads tab on the left, then select Upload Files. Choose the photo from your computer and wait for it to appear in the Uploads panel. Larger files may take a moment, and higher resolution images usually look crisper when resized. Once it's uploaded, you'll see a thumbnail of your image ready to use. Now place your photo into the frame. Click and drag the uploaded image directly over the frame until you see the frame highlight. Release your mouse, and Canva will automatically crop the photo to fit the shape. This is a non-destructive crop, which means you can change the view of the photo inside the frame without altering the original image. If the photo doesn't snap into the frame, make sure you're dropping it right on top of the frame until the highlight appears. To fine-tune the composition, double-click the frame. You'll enter an editing view where the photo can be moved or resized inside the frame boundaries. Click and drag the photo to reposition it, focusing on the most important part of your image. Use the corner handles to scale the photo larger or smaller within the frame until it feels balanced. The frame itself won't move here, only the image inside changes. When you're happy with the placement, simply click outside the frame or release your mouse to save the position. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to step back, and consider zooming in on your canvas for more precise adjustments. That's it. You've added a frame, uploaded your photo, placed it into the frame, and refined the crop so it looks polished. With these essentials, you can create clean, professional layouts quickly and consistently.